Hello, this is the first video of 2019 in which I'd like to explain how to respond when somebody is telling you thank you. Jane, you've been working all day. I've brought you some pizza. Oh, thank you. It's so sweet of you. You're welcome. Definitely, you're welcome is the most popular and the most appropriate way to respond to a thank you in all sorts of situations, either informal or formal. But it's a good idea to learn a variety of phrases, so let's take a look at some others. Thanks for helping me with my car, Jack. No problem. One of the most common situations when we thank people for something or have to respond to a thanks is when helping each other. And in an informal setting, the best phrases are no problem, sure, anytime, my pleasure. But in a formal situation, you should avoid those phrases and instead say something like not at all, it's my pleasure, or the most formal one, the pleasure is mine. However, there are some phrases which are okay in any situation. For example, happy to help, glad to be of help, I'm happy to do it. But sometimes you're not just helping, you're doing someone a favor. Let's take a look at this situation. Hi Mary, thank you for looking after Bob yesterday. My pleasure, he's such a sweet child. When you're doing someone a favor, it's a kind of help when you don't have to do it, but you want. It's your personal intention. And when you hear thank you in this case, you can use the same phrases to respond. You just need to make sure that you keep in the right tone, formal or informal. And now let's go to another example. Thank you for your gift. It's my pleasure. When somebody thanks you for a gift, probably the best phrases to respond are it's my pleasure or just my pleasure, I'm glad you liked it, you're welcome or you're so welcome. And you can also say thank you if you are exchanging gifts. And here is one more conversation. You know, Mary, you were brilliant at the meeting. I love your ideas. Thank you. So, Mary's just received a compliment and she said thank you. Is it necessary to say anything in response to that thank you? Any phrases like my pleasure or I'm glad you liked it? Actually, no. That kind of response will sound a bit strange, and probably the best thing you can do is to use your body language to show your positive attitude, for example, to smile and just to continue the conversation. Finally, let's visit our old friends, Alex and Jake. You know what, Jake? It's your birthday today. Happy birthday! Oh, really? Thanks. Can I have a treat then? This is a bit crazy example, and I just want to show that when you're congratulating someone on something, for example on a birthday, and when you hear thank you, you don't need to say you're welcome or any other phrases that you know. You just need to show that you're happy and that you just want to join in the fun. This is all I wanted to tell you on the topic, and if you like this video and find it useful, please give me a thumb up, subscribe to my channel and push this bell button down there. Bye!